Guys, I'm just gonna go sneak up my aunt's dad.
No, get off. Darren, is this yours?
No, you're humping
Is this Darren's?
No.
Yours? Is this yours?
No. Ouch.
Run. Run. Run.
Bambino, come tell me which one is your t-shirt. We gotta go buy them some clothes.
Yeah, that's my aunt's dog, Roni. Oh, he's cute. He's a good boy.
Bambino, where's yours?
He's a good boy. Oh, he's a good boy. He's a good boy.
Is this yours? Where's all your clothes, Kabani?
Ronnie's blood.
It's too dark, I can't see him in there. So, yeah. Oh my god. Look at my aunt's mansion. Look at it. It's complete mansion. Mansion. Look at it. Look at that. Look. Here comes school. Here comes the school. Round the school. It's good. School. And I just found one of my aunt's car paintings. It's a Ferrari, I'm pretty sure. See this? Look at this. Look at that. Ferrari sign. Oh, here comes the Roni. Here comes the Roni. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Black doggy. Doggy dog. Look at the height, guys. Look, doggy. The height. The height from up here.
I'm gonna throw Ronnie down.
No.
I'm gonna do it.
No, Darren, don't throw Roni. Don't.
Why would I throw Ronnie down? Was you huh? You like Oh my god. Okay, that's a good boy.
Yeah. So that's my dog's, my aunt's dog. Yeah. And the mansion. It's a literal mansion. I'm gonna take you downstairs. You see this? You see this? And there's another like dining room. Look at this. Giant TV and clock. Look at all this. And look. There's a dog named Buster outside. Do you see him, Buster? See Buster? You see Buster? You should be able to see Buster. He's right there. Okay. Hope you guys, Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like. Oh, and there's a camera too. Okay, guys, bye.